Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to share screen with audio on Facebook Messenger. So first thing you have to do is you have to launch your Messenger application and you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Messenger application. Now open your Messenger and then locate the specific conversation that you want to share your audio. So let me call this person first. So you can call or you can tap this video call icon. And then as you can see, if you want to share your audio and make sure that it's working, you have to click this three dots and then tap this call settings right here. Tap this audio output and you have to make sure that this is speaker or the option is set to speaker. So if you choose this a phone and then there's no possibility that you can share your audio here on your messenger. So you have to make sure that you tap this call settings and then tap speaker. Now you can share whatever you want here, such as videos, you can play together, but that's how you specifically share your audio here on your messenger. And you have to make sure also that you're using the updated version of your messenger to avoid any conflicts or any errors here while calling your friend on messenger. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below and see you again in our next video tutorials.